Hey, C-Max here. Going to do another review on a Ruger revolver. This is a GP100, and this is one of the original early release GP100s. This revolver belongs to a friend of mine, and he actually ordered it and had to wait on it to get it in, and it's one of the first ones. I did check the serial number against their history date on the Ruger website, and it was 1986. Which is when they officially started marketing the GP100 in 1986, and they still make them today. They're available in blue or stainless steel. You can get them with fixed or adjustable sights, stainless steel or blue steel, 3, 4.2 or 6-inch barrels. They also are available in several different calibers. They have 22, which is 10 shot, 327 Federal round, which is a 7 shot, 38 357, which this is a 6 shot, and 44 Special, not Magnum Special, which is a 5 shot. This particular gun, like I said, belongs to a buddy of mine, and he let me borrow it to do a review on it. Same guy that I borrowed some of these other weapons from. These are actually rubber grips that have wood panels. They did that to try to alleviate some recoil on it. Now, the GP100 is basically a replacement for the Security 6. Now, I did a review on my stainless steel Security 6, and I'll put a link to that video here. Basically, they beefed it up, and they changed the frame so that you could put round concealed carry type grips on it, or square, more target type. Before, like with the Smiths, you had J frames, K frames, whatever, and that kind of denoted the shape of the grips you could put on it. So the GP100 design is supposed to, take care of that. So that was one of the main reasons. 6-inch barrel, 5 groove, and let's go down the barrel. You'll see that in the corner here. This particular one is 45 ounces. It's 11.5 inches in length. And here's a chart that has the specs of the different models there. I'll let you look at that. So one of the big features that they push is it's got a triple locking cylinder. It's supposed to lock at the front, the bottom, and the rear. So I don't understand how all that really works, but that's one of the big things that they shaped it on. Now I'm going to put a link to Ruger Disassembly video right here, and that'll show you how to basically take it down, take everything out of it, the hammer, what have you. You want to polish it, clean it real well, change springs, shims. That's all you have to do. It's very, very simple. So don't be afraid of it. Now, like I said, my buddy actually ordered this gun. It's kind of interesting because right there is an imperfection. There's a hit. And I asked him about it because, borrowing it, I'll look it over because I don't, want to give it back in better shape than I borrow it. But, so I was like, whoa, man, we got a hit right here. And he goes, yeah, the gun came that way. I'm like, what? He goes, yep, it was shipped that way. He told me he ordered it and had to wait on it to be made and all that garbage. But he wanted it so bad that he just let that go and took possession of the gun. And as you see, it's got the L insert, which for the front sight, which actually works fairly well. There is shooting video at the end, so if you want to check that out, that'll be good. Trigger pull on it. The trigger pull, double action's about 10-pound average I got on it. The single was about 3.25 pounds. The action in it is very smooth. This is the way it came from the factory. My buddy hasn't done the work to this one like I did to the Security 6. Now, I didn't bring the Security 6 out. It's not a comparison video. This is just about the GP100. And, very popular. They still make it today. Although, in doing research, it seems that there's becoming more and more kind of demand or whatever for Security 6 to come back. A lot of people are kind of wanting that, I understand. Now, the new models that they make today are actually coming with the Hogue rubber grips, which I personally am a huge fan of, as my regular subscribers know. I really like them, that rubber feel, and put them on just about every weapon that I can. It just has that feel to where it sticks to your hand, but it's not sticky and just makes you feel like there's just no way you could lose grip on it. And I just love Hogue rubber. But that's about it. You know, what can you say? It's fine handgun. Feels good. Weight distribution is good. I don't know that I really like that yellow front, but it does actually work well. I think it looks kind of funny when you're just looking at the gun. Maybe on stainless it wouldn't have so much contrast. It might look a little bit better, but it shoots extremely similar to the Security 6 that I have, and definitely would recommend this revolver to anyone. That's going to wrap it up. I got to get this gun back to him. I've had it for quite a while trying to get to the range. Shooting segment to follow up here, but I want to go over the rules. Keep your finger off the trigger. You're ready to fire. Always know where your muzzle's pointed. Every gun is always loaded. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.